Welcome to BB Python programming. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to calculate simple interest using Python programming. Before starting, you need to know a simple mathematical formula of simple interest, which is principal into rate of interest into time upon 100. Firstly, I'll take a variable naming it p, and I'm using here float function which will convert the string into float. How will we get string? By using the input function where we will store a message for the user. Enter the amount principal. Similarly, we'll be doing in both rate and time as well. R is equal to float input, enter the rate of interest. Again, t is equal to float input, enter the time in years. Now I'll be using the simple interest formula p into r into t upon 100, which I'll be storing in a variable named si. And now I'll use the print, which will display out the output. At here I'll be writing the simple interest is, and which will be shown while the output is displayed. Now let's run our program. At here, enter any number which you want, and it will get your answer. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more interesting Python programming videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.